Today we're going to be talking about the basic things that humans need in order to survive. The 5 basic physical needs that all humans require are air or oxygen, sleep, shelter, food, and water. The first need is air. Air is comprised of oxygen, which is what our lungs need to function, and if we're not breathing, then nothing else in our body can work. What happens when you don't have air? You simply are not able to breathe, which means nothing else can function. The second need is sleep. Sleep energizes you for the day and gets your brain ready to go on and do anything you need it to do. What happens when you don't have enough sleep? You can have health problems such as headaches. Your mood could change, so if you're usually happy and you don't get enough sleep, then you could be grumpy all day. And you could also have difficulty learning if you don't have enough sleep and you're too tired. Another need that humans require is shelter. Shelter protects us from weather and people and animals. What happens without shelter? You could have health problems if you get too cold, such as hypothermia, or too hot, such as heat exhaustion, and you could also get other illnesses from things out in the nature, such as animals or any kind of germ that lives outside that you would usually not be exposed to inside your house. Another need we have is food. Food gives your body energy and nutrients to grow. And when you don't have food, you can have low energy levels, so you could be tired or not feel like doing anything or being as upbeat as you usually are. Again, your mood could change. You could get angry if you're hungry. You could get dizzy or confused if your brain doesn't have enough nutrients going to it. And it can even cause hair loss. We also need water. Water hydrates our bodies to help it function properly. And without water, again, it can cause different health problems such as headaches or dehydration. And it can also make you dizzy if your body is not properly hydrated. So most of these needs we need in order to make sure that our health is good and that we can live a healthy life. Some other needs that are not part of the 5 physical needs are clothing, medical care, and money. Although these are included in the basic needs, these are important things that we have to get throughout daily life. You have to have clothing to protect yourself from the cold or the heat or the sun. You need medical care if you get sick, and you need money to pay to get food, shelter, water, and anything else your body needs to survive. Sometimes people are not able to provide these needs for themselves or for their families, and there are ways we can help those people. Many times people will do food drives to raise food for people who do not have enough of it, or they will donate money to an organization that helps people without homes or without clothes. So that's what you guys are going to do. In groups, you're going to pick a need you want to help meet, whether that be people who don't have enough clothes, food, who don't have shelter. You're going to research a local organization that helps to meet that need, such as a food shelter, a homeless shelter, an organization that helps build houses for people. And then you're going to develop a plan of how you can donate to that organization, whether it be some type of item or some type of monetary donation. You're going to come up with a plan to raise that money or those items. You're going to convey that plan by creating a concept map, and that map will include the need that you're trying to meet, the organization you're donating to, and how you're going to promote the plan. So are you going to make flyers? Are you going to make posters? Where are you going to put those flyers and posters? Who are you going to ask for help? When and where are you going to ask for help? And any other detail of your plan needs to be included in that concept map. Some resources. If you need more clarification or more details about the basic needs, you can go to eSchool Today. Just click on that picture and it gives you plenty of details about the basic needs that humans need to survive. And then here are the resources of where I got my information and my pictures that were on this PowerPoint today.